Hi guys! Welcome to another vlog. So today's vlog, eto, tinupad namin ang pangarap ng asawa ko. So yun nga, kung hindi nyo pa alam, nag-world tour na ang Sex Bomb. Ako, to be honest, hindi ako laking sex bomb. Mostly, my husband is. Anyway, ang kilala ko lang naman sa Sex Bomb group is Rochelle, Sunshine, and I mostly know some of the girls because of their face, but not by their name. But anyway, nga, sinuportahan namin ng aking husband kasi daw, laking siya, sex bomb. O diba, kita naman ang support ng mga friendship namin. At in fairness naman dito sa akin Joshua, ha? From the beginning of the concert until the end, sa ulo niya ang kanta at mga step ng sex bomb. O, diba? Baka nga dati backup dancer to ng mga sex bomb eh. Hindi nila sa akin sinasabi. Anywho, the concert itself was so much fun and exciting. I love it how all the audience talaga nakikisaya, nakikidance sa kanila. And syempre, at the end of the concert, they sang my favorite song na alam ko rin, of course, na kinakanta nila. Anyway, see you guys in our next mini vlog. Bye!